On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram call problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. Go to the apps like this and then go to the Instagram. Now all what you wanna do here is very simple. Just click on this force stop option and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache and then clear data. Now go back, click on the data usage and make sure to disable all those options and enable them again. Now one last thing you want to do is restart your phone or just turn it off and on again. I hope this video was helpful, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching until the very end. See you later.